Hello, in this video, we'll show you how to use the BIMLOGIQ public command, place penetrations for pipes. This tool automatically places penetration family instances where pipes intersect with walls or floors. Start by selecting the pipes where penetrations will be placed. Click Pipe Select and pick the relevant pipes from your model. If the target elements, such as walls or floors, are in a linked architectural file, use the Link File option to include that model in the operation. Next, select the target elements for the penetration placement. Use the Target Elements option to choose walls, floors, or both. Choose the penetration family that will be placed at the intersection points. Make sure it is already loaded into your project. Specify the direction of the penetration as defined in the Family Editor. This ensures correct alignment with the host element. Select the shape of the penetration family, either circular or rectangular. This helps the tool understand which parameters to use. Now, define the parameter names from your penetration family. For rectangular shapes, enter the width and height parameter names. For circular shapes, enter the diameter parameter name. And for all shapes, enter the thickness parameter to control the depth. We can see the required parameter names in the properties of our family type. To leave clearance around the pipe, enter a value in the gap field. This allows for installation tolerance and easier on-site fitting. We will skip this for now and go over it later with an example. Once all settings are in place, click Run button. The command will automatically detect intersections and place the penetration family instances. Let's review the result. Let's zoom in a little so we can see our penetration. Here, our penetrations are placed. Here we can see our penetrations in the 3D view. Now let's try another example. Just because we know the process, we can speed it up. Let's try another family type here, such as a rectangular one. As we know for rectangular shapes, we should enter the width, height, and thickness parameter names. Now, we've reached the part we skipped earlier. To combine nearby penetrations into a single larger one, enable the Merge Penetrations option. Specify how close two penetrations must be to be merged. Click the Run button. Let's zoom in a little so we can see our penetration. Here, our penetrations are placed. Our small penetrations have been merged into a single larger one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling with BIMLOGIQ.